Upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we save you from making those regrettable purchases you tell your therapist about. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing and comparing two heavyweights, the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the Asani Mini. So buckle up, because it's about to get printer IFIC. All right, let's talk about the thing that makes your wallet cry, the price. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Mars 4 coming in at a cool $309. On the right, we've got the Asani Mini, which will set you back a whopping $500. That's right, folks, Asani is asking for your firstborn child and a kidney. But hey, maybe it's worth it? Let's find out. ELEGOO Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K LCD screen with a resolution so high it could probably spot your ex from a mile away. Meanwhile, Asani Mini offers a 2.4-inch LCD screen, perfect if you enjoy squinting and developing early-onset eye strain. Advantage: ELEGOO Mars 4. ELEGOO Mars 4 uses a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs. That's more LEDs than friends you have on Facebook. It promises uniform light and realistic model details. Asani Mini, on the other hand, keeps it simple with auto-leveling and dual Z-axis rail. It's like comparing a nightclub to a library. Both have their perks, but one's definitely more lit. ELEGOO Mars 4 comes with a laser-carved build plate that grips your prints tighter than your grandma at Thanksgiving. Asani Mini features a flexible magnetic build plate for easy removal. So if you're into wrestling with your prints, go ELEGOO. If you like things easy peasy, Asani's your buddy. ELEGOO Mars 4 has its own voxel dance tango slicing software, which sounds like a dance move but is actually pretty versatile. Asani Mini, on the other hand, is like the Switzerland of 3D printers, neutral and compatible with almost every slicing software out there. MA, Windows, Linux? No problem. It's practically begging you to use it. ELEGOO Mars 4 is for those who enjoy a challenge and have a PhD in 3D printing. Asani Mini is made for beginners and kids, with one-touch filament loading and auto-leveling features. It's like the Fisher-Price of 3D printers. So if you have the technical skills of a potato, Asani's your go-to. ELEGOO Mars 4 offers a 1-year warranty and a 24-hour response time, which is faster than my last pizza delivery. Asani Mini? Well, they didn't mention any warranties, so let's hope you don't need one. Fingers crossed, right? Summarizing the reviews, ELEGOO Mars 4 is highly praised for its exceptional print quality and advanced features, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals. Users appreciate its high-resolution capabilities and robust build, but note that it has a steeper learning curve. On the other hand, the Asani Mini is celebrated for its user-friendly design and ease of use, perfect for beginners and kids. It offers a reliable entry into the world of 3D printing with straightforward setup and operation, although it comes at a higher price point. Upbeat music fades in, so there you have it, folks. If you're looking for high-resolution, laser-carved precision, and a printer that'll make your wallet smile, ELEGOO Mars 4 is your best bet. But if you're a beginner, a kid, or just someone who likes things simple and hassle-free, the Asani Mini is your new best friend. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which printer you'd go for. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Upbeat music continues end screen with Buy Smart logo and subscribe button. Product links are in the description.